Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my go-to makeup look. Starting off with my Kiko Everlasting Brow. As usual, I'm literally just tracing underneath my brow, making sure that it's nice and crisp. I always like to do sort of hair strokes in the start of the brow. It just helps to give a natural finish. If you guys would like a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, just click on the link above. Taking my Conceal and Define foundation from Makeup Revolution, I'm using the shades 12.5 and 14 to define my brows. So what I usually like to do is take a small amount with the brush and just trace underneath where I've drawn that line and just sort of blend it down onto my eyelid. So next what I'm doing is I'm taking that 12.5 shade, I'm just applying that to my eyelid. I'm literally just evenly distributing it with my beauty blender. Just be careful guys, obviously I've got false lashes on, so I'm not trying to mess them up or get them all gunky, so just kind of be a little bit careful when you're doing this bit. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 350, I'm using this to set my eyelids. You always want to set your eyelids guys, because your eyelids can be very oily, especially my ones. Even if you're not applying eyeshadow, it's still a good practice to set your eyelids anyway, because it just helps to neutralize your eyelid area. Next, I'm taking my Revlon Color Stay powder foundation in the shade Carob, and I'm just using that to contour my eyelids. This gives you a really nice brown, bronzy eyeshadow look. If you're not really great at applying eyeshadow, just use your bronzer in your crease and it will look like you've done so much. Next, I'm taking my LOV Perfecting Primer. It's looking hella gross right now, but that's fine because I'm gonna rub that in. As you can see, I basically nearly squirted it in my eye. So just be careful when you're doing that. To be honest, you can really just put it on the back of your hand and do it that way. I'm just trying to be extra. Don't even follow me. Taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix setting powder in the shade Deep Honey, I'm using that to apply to my entire face. Now guys, this is really good if you've got oily skin. You definitely want to add this to your makeup routine because it really does help to absorb the natural oils in your skin before you've even started your makeup routine. Taking my Conceal and Define Makeup Revolution foundation in the shade 12.5 again, I'm using that to highlight my under eye, the middle of my forehead and also down my nose and also the corners of my mouth. Taking my beauty blender, I'm just literally blending that concealer out. I don't usually wait for it to dry down. I find it too heavy. I would do that if I was going out, but just for an everyday go-to makeup look, I wouldn't be waiting for it to dry down. So I don't mind just literally blending it out straight away. Guys, I thought I was filming the foundation routine, but I clearly yeah, I don't know what happened with the camera, but the foundation I used was a Juvia's Place foundation. I decided to leave quite a lot of the blending in the video just because I feel like it's actually a really important factor. So here what I'm doing is basically taking some of the product from my forehead and evenly distributing it to under my eye because I put a little bit too much product there. So I'm just kind of trying to like spread it around a little bit. Going back in with my Fit Me powder, I'm just using that to set my under eye. Taking my Morphe translucent powder in the shade Banana, I'm using that to bake. Now guys, I absolutely love this powder for baking. It's super smooth, and since I've bought it, it's literally been a staple for me. I find that it's the right shade for me as well. Literally, I'm just going in and I'm just baking all the areas where I've put my concealer. Taking my Morphe Dimension Effect Highlight and Contour Stick in the shade Effect 18, which is, oh, by the way, one of my favorite contour sticks. I'm using that and I'm just literally applying that to underneath my cheekbones and around the perimeter of my head, just underneath my eyebrows, underneath my bottom lip, and also just a little bit underneath my chin. I'm literally just buffing that out. This is going to give you such a beautiful bronzed look. And the thing that I love about this contour stick is it's not too heavy. I don't find it stodgy. It's just a really good product, guys. Like, I love it. I'm finding that I'm using it every single day and it's just so good. So taking a smaller brush, I'm just using that to blend out my nose contour. Now, if you notice, guys, I didn't actually go all the way down with this contour because I didn't want it to be too harsh. Because this contour stick's quite dark, it can look way too heavy. So you just want to literally apply it just underneath your brows, like literally, and then blend it down and then you should be fine. Next, taking my Infallible powder foundation in the shade Cocoa, I'm just literally applying this all over my face. So this is just gonna literally lock in all of that contour that we've just done, and it just helps to give your skin a really flawless finish. Next, I'm using my LA Girl blusher in the shade Just for Fun, which is such a banging orange shade, guys. Like, it's such a pigmented orange, like you've really got to be careful with it. As you can see, like, you see me blowing it because it is just literally like really pigmented. And using that exact same brush, I'm literally gonna go under my eyes and just dust away that powder, because sometimes when you bake, you can literally look ghostly under your eye. So what you're gonna do is use the same blusher brush. It's gonna add a little bit of that blusher to your under eye without making it look too pigmented. And trust me, try it and you'll know what I'm talking about. Like, leave a comment down below if you do this already, but trust me, it's a game changer. So here I'm just going in with my spoolie, just correcting my lashes, because when these bad boys dig into your eye, it is literally like someone stabbing you with a knife into your eye. Next, I'm using my MUA Light Lustra highlighting palette in the shade Golden Delights. This is one of my favorite highlighters right now. Like, I remember I did do a review on this product and I must say it is banging. Like, so inexpensive and it's literally like a really good quality. Definitely try it out, guys. I'm just literally going in with the same eyebrow brush I used earlier. I'm just kind of correcting my brows because they're a little bit sort of like blurred out just from all the powder, all the brushing and stuff like that, and all the blending. But as you can see, I've not added any more product to the brush. I'm literally just using what's already on the brush. Next, taking my Technic Mega Lash, I'm using this to add just to my bottom lashes. When I'm wearing falsies, I never just add mascara to the false lashes unless like they're looking hella powdery and I know that I'm getting them taken off. I like to do a double coat with this as well because it just looks way better. Using my Revlon Color Stay Powder Foundation in the shade Carob, the same one I used for my crease, I'm literally going back to reinforce that contour. Now guys, if you use this technique, literally your face will be beat all day. Here I'm literally just sharpening my nose contour because I really want a snatched nose for today. So yeah, I'm literally just going back in with setting powder and just literally neatening up my nose contour. Taking my liquid brown lipstick from Bourjois, I'm using that to line my lips. This is like the most warm, beautiful brown. Like, I don't know if you guys know from my other videos, but lately I've literally just been using liquid lipsticks to line the lips and it's just so convenient. Next, I'm taking my matte lipstick in the shade Honey Love from MAC. I'm taking my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. I'm using that to apply to my lips. This is another really nice lip gloss, guys. It's so lovely and sparkly and it just makes your lips look glossy for like a long period of time. And yeah, it's a really nice gloss. Next, taking my e.l.f. setting spray in matte. I'm just literally spraying my entire face and just letting it air dry. Right, now for my hair. So what I previously done was I did my edges and then I put a leg of a pair of tights on my head just to ensure that my edges lay nice and flat whilst my hair was drying. And literally I just done some comb curls and I use my finger to kind of like wrap the hair around my finger and let it go. I have to show you guys, but yeah, that's what I did to my hair. I'm still kind of getting used to it being this short, so yeah, it's a little bit of a struggle. But if you guys know any great products for low porosity hair, please let me know in the comment section because girl, I be struggling like when I tell you. So here I am taking my Afro pick just to kind of like lift up the curls and just give my hair a little bit more shape. And there we go, guys. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this look. Be sure to leave a comment. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So until next time, guys, I will see you again in my next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.